Hey guys, happy May 4th. May the 4th be with you. I saw this the other day and I thought it was pretty awesome. It says the volume is equal to R2D2. And I kind of wanted to know, could this be possible? Is there a radius where this could be possible? So here's the normal formula for a hemisphere. Its volume equals 2/3 pi r cubed. So we just want to know, is there a radius where 2/3 pi r3 is equal to R2D2? Well, let's find out. First, let's copy this down and let's focus on that d. D is the diameter, which is the same thing as two radiuses. So in the place of this d, I'm going to plug in 2r. The quantity 2r squared means the same thing as 2r times 2r. We can split all this stuff up, and 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and r times r is equal to r2. And then r2 times r2 is equal to r4. So now we have an r on both sides of the equation. For the next step, let's divide both sides by r3. Right here, we can tell the radius is not equal to 0. So it's going to be safe to divide by r3. On the left-hand side, this r3 and this r3 are going to cancel each other out. And then on the right-hand side, this R4 and this R3 will leave 1R remaining. Now we have 2/3 pi is equal to 4R. For the next step, let's multiply both sides by 1/4. 1/4 times 2/3, we multiply the denominator, and 4 times 3 is equal to 12. And then 2/12 can simplify to 1/6. And then this pi can multiply by the 1 to give us pi over 6. And then on the right-hand side, this 4 times 1/4 will cancel each other out. So we have r is equal to pi over 6. And pi over 6 is approximately equal to 0.5236. So if we can find an R2D2 with a radius of 0.5236, we will have an R2D2 with a volume of his hat equal to R2D2. And guess what? I have an R2D2 here. And let's measure his hat. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm getting a measurement of the radius of exactly 0.5236 inches. So this R2D2 in his hat has a volume of R2D2. How exciting.